Hi, I'm Colton Ford. Today we're going to do the skeletal lab. Here's my sticky note right here. Let that focus, just with terms, and then nothing on the back. Get this put in a good spot before we get going. Alright, 1 second. Good. Alright, so first things first, let me go ahead and get our chicken wing here. My guy is a little busted right now. He had a broken ulna, so forgive me. Right here, the bones that make up the synovial joint will be the humerus, the ulna, and the radius right here. Right here is the synovial joint, this cavity right here. Okay, let me go ahead and wrap this up for 1 second. I'm going to go ahead and tilt this down just so we have good angle. Good. Okay, so what makes up the synovial joint? First things first, we have like this white fibrous tissue right here, this white fibrous tissue. It is the articular capsule. It helps form the joint capsule. It's the most exterior kind of fibrous white tissue. It helps protect the joint, stabilize a little bit. If we work our way inside, you will see these white knobs on the ends of the humerus in this case. And this is the articular cartilage. It's a hyaline cartilage that actually, even the radius and the ulna, all three of these bones that make up the joint have articular cartilage, and it helps limit friction even more, at least in a proper healthy joint. So that's its main purpose. We work our way inside even more. Interior, this little membrane right in here. Let me get it. Down inside. Membrane in the back. That's the synovial membrane. It helps form the first kind of membrane that surrounds the joint cavity. Its main purpose is to secrete synovial fluid, which you can't see in there because the capsule's been busted. But the synovial fluid helps as an additional lubricant. It helps actually absorb some shock and distribute nutrients. Now, we were talking about just a second ago some things that can go wrong with the joint, and we have something called synovial chondromatosis or matosis, and what that is, it is a non-cancerous tumor that can form inside the joint cavity. Usually a piece of cartilage breaks off. That's how it forms, like a nodule cartilage breaks off and a tumor develops. This can cause issues like the joint catching. You're going to have pain when that happens, lack of range of motion, which can hinder other things. Most commonly, it's in the knee, but I'm sure it can happen to any synovial joint. Another thing that can happen would be some sort of autoimmune condition or arthritis, something like that that can cause some inflammation to the synovial membrane and the synovial capsule. This again would cause stiffness, loss of range of motion, which the synovial joint's main purpose is a pretty wide range of motion. You would have pain, tenderness, inflammation, things of that nature. That pretty much covers the whole synovial joint, the skeletal lab that we've done. So thank you. Have a good day.